Hello, everyone. My name is Zaid, and I'm a farmer. Come with me today, and I'll show you what farmers do. Let's go to the farm.
Every morning I wake up early, even before the sun. I wear my boots and hat and go out to work on my farm.
We grow food for everyone. I plant seeds, water the crops, and help them grow. Corn, carrots, strawberries. We grow vegetables, fruits, and grains. Yummy and healthy. I also take care of animals, cows, chickens, and goats. I feed them, clean their homes, and make sure they are happy. Because I grow food that keeps people strong and healthy. Next time you eat an apple or bread, think of your friendly farmer.